Hello, class. You made it through the fall semester of 2019. Welcome to the final week. We don't have a lot. We have nothing new this week. We're just going to close out the things that we've been working on. So I just wanted to touch base with you one more time, just to make sure that we've got everything wrapped up properly. So I've got our Moodle page up here, so you can see that. You should be able to go through and see all the things that we accomplished during this semester, which I think is quite a bit. So. Kudos to you for getting through this class and getting through this. I hope it was worth it for you. I hope that if you have a desire to open up a business, that I've taught you a few things that can lead to a successful business. And even if you aren't thinking about starting your own business, I hope that you were able to pick up some things that might help you out in employment or management or other positions that you might have. So let's get down to this week. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving break and now you're all rejuvenated for the last 2 weeks of school, which for us is really going to be just 1 week. I do have one more week schedule just to go through everything for you. I actually have it right here that maybe I could zip in for you. But it's right here just for the dates and everything that you can go through and see what needs to be done. Right there, I've got this last presentation that hopefully you're watching now. This tab here for the business plan, your business plan is due. We're going to have that business plan due. That's going to be by Sunday night, the 8th, December 8th. If you have it done, you can turn it in early. That's what we've been working on all year. I just want to remind you one more time, we do have this scoring rubric. Before you turn in your business plan, take a look at this rubric, go through it, see where the grading is going to be done, what's required, so that you're not surprised, because you can't come back to me and say, hey, I didn't know you wanted that in the business plan, because we've been talking about this rubric all semester. So it's there for you. Make sure one last time you go through that, make sure that you proofread before you send it in, because you will be graded on those types of things. So make sure it looks good, make sure it makes sense, make sure that it flows, make sure that you're presenting all of your ideas, and get that to me by Sunday night. Sunday night at the latest. After Sunday, you're going to get dock points as you turn that in. So the tab is right here. You can just click on this tab and put it in there. Mine looks a little different than yours, but just put that in there. It's best to submit it in a Microsoft Word document. You can submit as a Google Docs, but when I download your Google Docs, sometimes margins or if you've got any tables or anything like that, that can be distorted, and sometimes it's difficult for me to read. So it's best to produce it in a Microsoft Word document to submit to me, but I'll take the Google's Doc, just be aware of that. Other than that, submit it right here through this Moodle. The other thing we've got to do is our final exam. So it shows our final exam during finals week, but it's actually going to open up on Wednesday. So Wednesday at noon, I'm going to open up that final exam. You can take that. You just have to have the final exam completed by Monday night, December 9th, by midnight. So that exam has got to be completed. It'll be shut off then. Then you'll have a couple days where you're going to lose points, but I've got to submit grades that finals week, so I don't have a lot of give and take there. I'm even deducted the points. So if you've got any problems on any of these things, get a hold of me right now. Don't wait till after the fact. And then finally, if you slide up your Moodle page just a little bit to right here, under this feedback, what I'd hope that all of you will take a moment and just complete this. If you click on this, it's an opportunity for a student evaluation of the class. So you just come through here, click on answer the questions, and you get the opportunity to evaluate the class, evaluate me as instructor, a little bit about our department, our program, the college, the university. You have opportunities to say anything, please do so. Let me know how we're doing. Let me know what you think of the class, the different parts of that. This goes back to me. It's anonymous, so you can be honest in what you're doing, and hopefully you'll have an opportunity to do that. So with that, I just want to say thank you. Thanks for taking this course. Thanks for working with me. I enjoyed the interaction that we have, the little interaction we have on an online course. But some of you guys through emails and some of you guys that I see here on campus. And feel free to contact me with any questions, and in the future, if you have any things that I can help you out with, if you do decide to go on and open up a business and you have some questions, consider me a resource. Anything else that you do, consider me a resource. And if you do get your business up and running, let me know. I'd love to be a customer for viewers as well. So with that being said, thank you for a great semester. Get your business plan done, get your final exam done, do this class evaluation. Other than that, have a great Christmas break. Have a very Merry Christmas. Thank you so much.